Thank you very much. Your Excellencies, SDS colleagues, distinguished guests, and especially to my close friend and mentor, Mr. Jonas Jansen. It is an honor and a pleasure for me to be here today to co-host this very special event, facilitating foreign investment, improving competitiveness, and increasing innovation for Slovenia. The process of globalization, combined with the digital revolution, has had a profound impact on the ability of nation-states and their citizens to communicate with each other, and on the means through which this communication takes place. A 24-hour news cycle, citizen journalism, and the increasing role of global NGOs has ensured that the activity of countries is under considerable scrutiny with regard to domestic and foreign policy, security, economic strength, as well as culture and society. The process of globalization, increasing economic integration and interdependence between nation-states, therefore has brought with it an increase in the economic potential and the importance of international investment. As the 2008 global financial crisis has demonstrated, the global economy influences all areas of our lives. As such, discussion on the future of the global economy must incorporate perspectives from a diverse range of fields, including politics, civil society, and multiple academic disciplines, such as sociology, philosophy, and anthropology. In this regard, nations have realized the need to develop special programs and to improve their image abroad in order to attract a part of an ever-expanding international market of foreign investments. Many states now rely on foreign investment, and especially new industries and tourism, as major sectors in their economy. In order to attract this international attention and tap those markets, states have increasingly employed nation branding, hoping to promote a positive image of their state to the international community. Related to the concept of soft power, a national brand can be understood as the reputation of a country and its population, the things it makes and does, and the way that it makes and does them. Although examples of nation branding can be identified much earlier, the term is now in general usage amongst politicians, diplomats, and other stakeholders in international relations across the world. The ability to understand the nation's brand will be of paramount importance to stakeholders in international economics in the coming decades. These 2011 national elections represent an important opportunity for the new Slovenian government to reflect on the developments, the growth, and the evolving nature of the inherently interlinked concepts of nation branding and foreign investment, to offer a new comprehensive plan for the Slovenian economy. The new Slovenian government, therefore, will have to profoundly explore the challenges and opportunities that it faces in attracting international investment and to immediately implement them into its short-term agenda and policies in order to revive the Slovenian economy and to enable it successfully to compete with the other 26 EU member states as well as nationwide. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for the honor of being here today and co-hosting this event, and I look forward to a very successful conference today. Thank you.